you ever wondered what makes a great story? It all starts with the basics of grammar. Hi everyone, I'm Gina and welcome to the Writer's Classroom. Today we're going on a mission to master the basics, nouns, verbs and adjectives. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at sentence building. First up, nouns. Think of a noun as a naming word. If you can name a person, a place, a thing, or even an idea, you've found a noun. Everything you see around you right now has a name, doesn't it? There are different types of nouns to help us be more specific in our writing. Proper nouns are for special names, like London or Max. They always get a capital letter. Common nouns are the names of everyday things, like bird, city, is not the individual bird, it's just bird. Then there are the touch nouns. These are things that we can find with our five senses, like a crunchy apple or a fluffy cat. There's the feeling noun. These are special because they live in our hearts, like bravery and love. You can't touch them, but you can definitely feel them. And finally, there's the collective nouns. These are for groups. So it's a whole team of friends playing together. Team would be our noun. Now that we have our names, nouns, we need to make them move. And that's where verbs come in. If a noun is the who, then a verb is what they are doing. Without verbs, our characters would just be standing still like statues. Verbs aren't just about running and jumping though. Let's look at the 5 different ways we use them. Action verbs. These are the big ones. Jumping, flying, snoring, anything your body can do, like a bird flying. Let's spot them in a sentence. Look at this one. The bear is peeking. The bear is our noun, and what is he doing? He's peeking. That's our verb. Saying verbs. These tell us how people talk. Did they shout? Did they whisper? These verbs bring your dialogue to life. Then we have sensing verbs. These happen inside of our head or our hearts. It's how we think, how we feel, and how we perceive the world. If a character loves something, that's a sensing verb. Now, here are the 2 sneaky ones. They're a little harder to spot. We have relating verbs. These act like a bridge. They link information together. For example, the robot noun has a laser. Has would be the verb. The word has links the robot to his cool new gadget. Then we have existing verbs. These are for things that simply are. Verbs like is, am, and are. The dragon isn't doing green, he simply is green. So our verb is. We have our characters, nouns, and they are busy doing things, verbs. But what do they look like? How do they feel? To answer those questions, we need adjectives. I like to call these sparkle words because they make our sentences shine. An adjective is a describing word. It tells us more about the noun. We can describe almost anything. We use appearance. It can be shiny, spotted, bright red. We use size. It could be tiny, like an ant, or giant, like a mountain. We use texture. Does it feel fluffy, prickly, or smooth? And we use feeling. Is your character brave, happy, or maybe a bit grumpy? And we can look at sound. Is your character loud, quiet, maybe soft? Watch what happens when we add an adjective to a sentence. Instead of saying, the cat sat on the mat, we can say, the fluffy cat sat on the colourful mat. Fluffy and colourful are adjectives. Okay, story doctors, it's game time! I'm going to show you a sentence and I want you to point out the adjective, the noun and the verb. Are you ready? Let's go! The first one, the hungry cat ate the fish. Can you spot them? That's right, hungry is our adjective, cat is our noun, and ate is is our verb. Brilliant work! And next up, the bright sun is yellow. Wait, this one is a bit tricky. Bright describes the sun, so that's our adjective. Sun is the noun. And what is our verb? It's the existing verb, is. Here, a little cheeky, yellow is also an adjective describing the sun. What about this one? The loud boy was shouting. That's right, the adjective is loud, the noun is boy, and what's he doing? He's shouting, so that's our verb. You did it! You've mastered the building blocks of great sentences. Remember, nouns name it, verbs do it, and adjectives describe it. Keep writing, keep being creative, and I'll see you in the next Writer's Classroom. Bye bye for now. Thank you.